All right. Thank you for joining me. I would like to go ahead and introduce myself as CEO, the CEO Trades, and we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin today here for going into the new year 2020. I'm going to keep this short and brief. This is about, December 29th here. And first, I wanted to go over a lot of my titles from one of my pages concerning the subject. And briefly, let's see here. Right here, Bitcoin topping off at 14 to 16,000. That was done 6 months ago. Dow Jones and Bitcoin update 5 months ago. I don't see a recession coming in the markets. That was done 2 months ago. Bitcoin, I told you so. That was done 8 months ago. Full prediction was done also 8 months ago in Bitcoin. I think those are my only, not only, but initially. So this here, once it reached back to 3,200 or so, and we made it through to 7,008, and I saw the top between 14 and 16. We got to 14,000, and we've pulled back ever since. So that was 6 months ago. From 14,000, we've been pulling back ever since, and we're now currently below 7,200. So now I make some more recent videos, and that one here on December the 3rd is Bitcoin still bearish at 7,200, and it's currently around 7,200, 7,400 mark. And now let's go ahead and go to the chart. Take a look here. This is on a monthly basis, and what my question would be, what everybody's questions want to be, they ain't one they're looking for the answer is, where's the bottom? Where's the bottom at, CL? What we have here? What are we looking at? Where's the bottom? What's the top? What's the range in between? Do you have any understanding of that? I do. Been pretty much 100% accurate from all the previous. Not to say that I will stay 100% accurate, but let's go ahead and quickly on this video. I'm gonna make another one, but on here we're currently at 7,400, and I honestly see a sell-off still coming. Do we make it to 5,000? 4,900, right at 5,000 to be exact. Is this our target mark? And also, is 4,200 our target mark? But I don't like that one there. I like this one here. So is 49.97 our actual target mark, and is that going to be our support to take us back up? And also, what would we be considering a target point? Ranging between, let's say, 13 and 16,000. 12,800, 12,800, 900 is still 13,000. So, what we would see between 13 and 16,000 on our next up move, coming from a 5,000 support area. So, is 5,000, the question is 5,000 the support area? And where would it be going? Now, this analysis, I'm going to make a more full and in-depth analysis over the time, but my expectation would be a sideways market for a moment, something that would discourage a lot of people, and then a slow grind to a more solid base area to the upside. And I haven't gotten all in detail technical about those support areas, but typically I'm pretty much spot on But the question from my last video is, are we getting over 72? Now, we've been over 72, but do we hold? Apparently not. And also in my last video, I stated 64 and 59 would be support areas. And we definitely hit the 64 mark. And we hit the 64 mark was my initial statement on my last other video. And of course, that was how that looked from that 64 to be right on point. This was a 64 mark area. And also I stated 64 and 59. And so 59 is kind of in this area here. So the question would be, is that a real true support area, or are we going to go and get to the bottom of 59 to the 5,000? And I would expect a sideways movement. Like I say, something that would kind of discourage people for a moment before it taking a slow progress to the upside. But I do still see a bull market for the actual Bitcoin overall concept. Now, this is for my practice purposes only. You have to make your own decisions about your investments. Don't get it here. Thank you again for your patience and your time. Have a good day.